And when I was in acting school, one of the courses that we had was literature course, which was, of course, immediately one of my favorite courses. And the teacher asked us to write a story, a short story for one. And I hadn't done that really, to share with classmates or with anyone. And I ended up writing, of course, a really long one. It was like 12 pages. Really, really cheesy and corny now that I think of it. And something amazing happened as I was reading it, because as I progressed in my reading, I could hear my classmates turn quiet and paying attention. And when I finished, a couple of them were crying, because obviously my story was very dramatic, because I always veer toward that. And then the teacher turned to me and he said, I don't know if you're going to be an actress, but you're a writer. That I can tell you right now.